just so scary.
It is.
It's hella fun though.
So, like, try really, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Chill. Go, Ricky.
Go, go, go.
Oh, that was tough. Oh, and he still landed it.
Dude, I would have bust my ass if I was you on that.
I know. He still stuck that. Swing. You should swing your arms. That I found that really helped me.
It does.
Yeah, it helped me like get going. Oh, that's chill. He's like, shh.
It's a trick, it's a trick.
That was a trick.
I can already see you developing some tricks there. You don't even write it yet, but I see your tricks coming. I see it falling up. You just do things differently. Do the tricks first, then you learn to ride.
Yeah, you know.
There.
Swing your hands.
There, yeah. Start wiggling your bottom.
He's got it. He got it. This bitch can turn.
Yep.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Yeah.
Yes.